In the next lesson, we're going to download and install Ruby on our Windows computer. And in order to do that, we're going to need to know whether our Windows system is 32-bit or 64-bit. This is kind of an advanced computer science concept, but it basically refers to the category of operating system you have based on how it manages its memory. It's not really important to understand the differences between 32-bit and 64-bit, but you do need to know what version of Windows you are running so that you can select the correct Ruby installer in the next lesson. So if you don't know, here's how you can find out. You can head to the Start menu, and you can search for Settings, and open the Settings app. And once that opens up, you're going to see a panel on the left-hand side. Make sure that System is selected, and System will affect what you see right here on the right. You can scroll down to the very bottom of this list of options and click on About, and that's going to open up the About screen. And here, under System Type, you're going to see either 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system. So memorize that number, either 32-bit or 64-bit, and that's really all you need to do for this lesson. So I'll see you in the next one where we will officially install Ruby.